In this video, I want to show you exactly the best ways to start making money online in 2026. I'm gonna break the whole thing down for you. I've made over $20 million online over the last few years, and I've taught over 15,000 people how to grow their online businesses, mostly in the fitness niche. That's where I focus on. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do it as well. Let's just hop right into it. To make money as an online trainer, it goes like this. First, you make content. Then the people who engage with that content, you start conversations with them. Then those conversations lead to sales. And we're gonna break all of this down for you. But basically, you need to make content online. The people who engage with that content, you start conversations with them. And there's a few different ways to start conversations with them. We're gonna get into it in a second. And then in those conversations, you book them on sales calls and then you close them. Those are the 3 steps to making money as an online trainer. The name of the game with content is to get engagement. You have to be making content that gets engagement so you can start the conversations. So this is what I'm calling the engagement matrix, right? So what you want to do is you want to post on a platform that's going to make you the most money, and that's going to be Instagram. As an online trainer, IG is going to make you the most money. And what gets the most engagement on IG is Reels. Now you may be thinking, hey, I don't have a big following, right? Well, you actually don't need a big following to make money as an online trainer or to get engagement. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say we went on IG and we search something like men's fat loss. And what we'll see is there's a lot of people getting a lot of engagement who maybe don't have big followings. Let me find one example. This video got 3.7 million views. He only has 158K followers. So this is called an outlier. He has like more than 10x views as many subscribers he has, or as many followers that he has. And we can find a bunch of these, like this one right here. This is 96K followers, but 17 million views. The key is to understand that when it comes to Instagram now, followers don't really matter. If you have a good video, you can get views with a small following. It's really about the quality of the video. Oh, for example, this video has 3.1 million views, but his following is only like 30K, which is not nothing, but this is an outlier video. So what does that mean? What we want to do is we want to find outlier videos and make them in our own style. Use the format, but we don't want to steal from them word for word. Basically, we want to find outlier videos, recreate them our own way. I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. And when you do that, you're way more likely to actually get some videos to get engagement. Because if you don't have a big following now, it's probably because you don't know how to make good content, right? But you can get the blueprint from videos that are outliers. So there's a few different ways to find outliers. You could just search it and just start looking. I have this tool called Sort Feed, which gives me all this data. So this one, 1.4 million views, but Ross Fit only has 11,000 followers, right? Followers don't even matter anymore. I hope you guys understand that. So we want to find some outliers. We can just search them like this. That's one way to do it. And just search. I have this tool which gives me all this extra data, and we can just go through and search for them. Or I did the work for you. In the description, it's called the Viral Content Vault, where I have 100 or so outlier videos. These are videos that got 10 times as many views as followers the content creator has. It's a Notion database that gets updated all the time. So once you download this, click the link in the description, you'll have this database full of outliers. And what you want to do with these outliers is, let's find one we want to mimic. Let's see this one, right? This guy has 3.8 million views and he has 22,000 followers. All right, cool. So I have another tool called Sort Feed. It's a Chrome extension. And what I can do is I can just hit transcribe. Boom. I'm getting the transcription of this video. Now, again, we're not going to copy this person. Copy. So now you can go to basically ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you want. I'm going to do it in Gemini just because I use Gemini a lot. And I'm going to say this. I want to recreate this reel. I'm going to paste the script here, and I want you to interview me, asking me one question at a time until you have enough information to rewrite the reel in my own words. Cool. I'll put that in there, and this is going to ask for the transcription. Boom. And you paste it. Here's the script. And we're not going to do it because I don't have time to go through it, but it's going to ask me the question. And then when it's done, it's going to give the script in my voice, right? So the key is to not copy. That's whack. But we want to be influenced by it, especially because you don't know how to make good content yet if you have a small following. Or even if you do know how to make good content, it's way better to just find the shit that's working and make your own version of that. If you post reels based off these 10x outliers, 2 or 3 of them a day, over the course of 30 days, you will have somewhere between 30 and 60 reels based off videos that are already proven to work. And I promise you, you'll get tons of engagement off of that. All right. From there, we want to set up something that's called a call to action, where we tell them to comment a word and they get a free guide, or they get something free in exchange for commenting a word. And you want to automate this. A lot of people will use ManyChat, but I think a better platform for that is GoHighLevel. And you'll see why later in this video. But GoHighLevel, you can actually automate all of this stuff. And it's way more robust than ManyChat, just way better. And basically you can set it up so when somebody comments any word, you can program any word, they'll get sent the free guide. This is how we get the conversation started. So we have content that's based off 10x outliers. Then we have GHL automatically in their DMs, automatically DM the free guide. But then when they get the free guide, we can't just give it to them in the DMs. What we want to do is have GHL DM them a link. Now, somebody who didn't know what they're doing would send them the link to download the free guide. We're going to do something even better. Let me explain. So instead of just DMing them the link to the free guide, we're going to send them to a landing page. Let me show you what that looks like. So in GHL or GoHighLevel, you can actually set up landing pages in here. For example, I have a free guide where it shows people how to track their calories and macros with AI. And it looks like this. We send them here and they put their first name, last name, email, phone number. Then they can download the free guide. And this is really simple to set up with GHL. They have templates. It's super easy to set up. Children can do it. And the reason we want to send them here is because we want this information. Here's where we take it to the next level. When we got all the information, we can follow up with the lead. And we know this person is interested in accomplishing some sort of fitness goal. So once they put in their information, then they go to this second page. And here's an example of the second page after they put in the information. It's a video. And from here, they can download the free guide, whatever it is you have free, or they can book a call with me. And that's what this video is explaining. Hey, you got your free guide, explains to them how to use the macro tracking thing. But if you really want to take it to the next level, hey man, book a call with me. Let's talk about coaching. It's all set up and GoHighLevel. I don't have no availability on my calendar just because my calendar is booked, right? Because I do what I'm telling you. But this is my GoHighLevel calendar. So it's like Calendly, but it's all in GoHighLevel. See, GoHighLevel replaces almost every tool. You don't need ManyChat. You don't need Calendly. You don't need any of this stuff. And a lot of people will book on that first page. If they don't, then that's fine because we DM him the link. The link sent them to the landing page, right? But we also got their phone and email. And we did all this with GoHighLevel. I actually have a free 30-day trial of GoHighLevel. It's 100% free for 30 days. If you go to their website and try to get a free trial, it's like way less time than that, it's like less than half. But you can get a free 30-day trial from the link in the description right now. You don't want to miss out on this. If you're serious about like making real money, everybody's making real money is using like a real CRM. I think GoHighLevel is the best. Anyway, so we got that. We got different ways to get the call booked. So you can also start the conversation in here. You can DM them directly, start the conversation in there and book them on a sales call. They might book their own sales call from being off the landing page. You can also follow up with them via text or email or both. So we got many different ways to get the sales call booked. And the beauty of it is you can manage all of this in GHL, right? So you can use GoHighLevel to actually do your conversation instead of depending on Instagram's DM feature. You can actually message the people on Instagram from GoHighLevel, and you can organize the actual chats from like new lead, new conversation, somebody who's booked a call, somebody who's sold, and then you can follow up with these people. GoHighLevel actually set up the landing page for you where they can book the sales call. You can text a lead from GoHighLevel and email them for GoHighLevel, right? This is how the pros are making money. People who are just relying on Instagram DM, you might be able to hustle your way up to 5, 10K a month. But I've coached over 15,000 students. The ones who are making the most money are doing this. And you need to do it even when you're starting out, because when you're first starting out, you don't have a whole bunch of leads. So you need every opportunity you can to actually get the sales call booked. You need every opportunity at your disposal. If you're just dependent on DMs, then you really only got one shot at booking the call. if I had a small following and I wanted to make as much money as possible, personally, I want as many shots as I can take. I want this shot where they might book their own calls, and I definitely want this shot. Here's the thing, people answer texts more than they answer DMs, and they can always opt out of DMs, right? Businesses make a lot of money on email. So the average online business makes 30% of their sales from email. So if you're not emailing your potential clients, it's safe to assume that you're missing out on 30% of your potential income. And that's very important if you have a small following, or if you're just starting out. That's when you really need to do this. And I could go through right now and show you how to set all this stuff up and walk you through it, but this video would be super long. Instead, when you sign up for a free trial with GoHighLevel, you can actually book calls on Zoom with their team, and they'll walk you through how to set it up, because they actually want you to succeed. So you pay them after the free trial. But if you don't, that's cool too. It's just a free trial. The link's in the description. And that's really the game plan on how to make money as an online trainer, all right? Make sure you grab your free 30-day trial of GoHighLevel. The link is in the description. And once you do join, make sure you take advantage of all the free trainings they have right in there when you sign up, and book a call with their team to help you get set up. It's 100% free, and they're experts, all right? Don't miss out. Click that link right now and register.